There's nothing quite as devastating as the rumor of a rodent problem in a restaurant. Hi, my name is James with the Animals in the Attic Restaurant Division. Keep watching for more tips on how to prevent one. We know you're cleaning your kitchen floors, but are you going the extra mile and getting on your hands and knees with a flashlight, checking for the smallest bits of food? Well, if you're trying to prevent or solve a rodent problem, you have to. It's imperative you remove every bit of food every night, because the smallest amount of food can sustain the rat population and keep this problem growing. The notorious back door, often left propped open during cigarette breaks and taking trash out, it's a critical point for a restaurant. You've got to keep that door closed in between deliveries and never have it propped open. A dirty dumpster area is the #1 cause of a draw of rodents to your restaurant. Make sure you keep the lid closed when not in use. The area is clean and free of grease and clutter. If you have any questions or need help, call or text me at the number below. I'll get back to you quickly, and I'll discreetly solve your problem.